Hi there, how are you? It's Simon here. Thanks so much for watching this video on All Things Must Pass by George Harrison. Let's get straight into the lesson, but first I just want to remind you to please do subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of when there are new lessons. And if you are able to, please do support the channel at Patreon, www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. Plans start from only $3 a month. And that really helps me put these together. So, let's kick it off. I'm in regular tuning my guitar. Here's an E major chord. So, it's a wonderful song, and it does a thing that a lot of George Harrison, I think, you know, every guitar player has their kind of signature move. And quite often when I've learnt George Harrison sort of parts, Beatles songs or Harrison songs, you get a lot of this sort of open string chords. So for example, if you go and check out some of the anthology stuff, particularly his version of, sort of original demo version of Something, you hear this kind of... I know it's Something and not All Things Must Pass, but the concepts, he does a lot of the same sort of nice open chords, walks, like that, right? And it just uses the guitar, particularly when you're playing an E, because you've got an E here, an E here, and a B here, which obviously the two most important notes in E major, being E first, F sharp, G sharp, A, B is the fifth, right? So you're getting a real good usage of those sorts of notes. I'm going to do another lesson in a little while just on a whole bunch of songs that use this concept. You know, those sorts of chords. Anyway, you get what I mean. So let's talk about the All Things Must Pass. We've got E major. Now all I'm doing in the strumming, I'm just going to go 1 and 2 and we can make it more complicated, but let's stick with that for now, okay? So we've got 1 and 2 and Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of play an F sharp minor. So your first finger here is on A, my third and fourth fingers are on C sharp and F sharp, so the fourth frets of the A and D strings. Now you hear that? Kind of like an F sharp minor, but not quite, because we've got these extra notes on top, a B, the E makes it an F sharp minor 7, and the B is like an added 11. So we've got F sharp minor 7 add 11. Woo! Go George. Okay, so we're going to go 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a... So you see there I just moved up from F sharp to G sharp, exactly the same pattern, G sharp minor. And then we're going to go into an A here. So you can see that the major chord is there, a minor chord, hole in the middle, right? So that is the intro. So we get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, coming into the chorus, which goes into B minor, there's this lovely little thing that he plays on some of the anthology stuff I've heard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, so that's basically 4 and. So he plays on the 4, G sharp minor again, on the and, an A. I watched this great video the other day from Pop Goes 60s, and it was just a chat about the Beatles, All Things Must Pass, because it's 50 years since it came out, I think. And you could hear them, the Beatles, talking about, they're rehearsing it in the Let It Be sessions, which is really cool. And, you know, you've got John Lennon going, oh, I reckon that bit's pretty hard, that, George. You know, he's trying to figure out the parts on the keyboard, and George is going, oh, it's just like a G sharp minor, and then at the 4th fret here, and you hear them talking through it. So I would if you like this song, I would 100% recommend that you go and check out that that video was awesome. I loved it. So just that 4 and then we're going to go into a B minor. So we take that same minor shape, then into A. Okay, so from the verse into the chorus, this is the first time we're going to go 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Then we return to the original chords. Okay, now then we have interlude 1, which is just one bar of 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then we play verse 2, which is exactly the same as verse 1. So coming into chorus 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down to E, 2, 3. Now we're going to do our thing. Goes back into B minor, bar of that, bar of A, then back up to B minor. You could do, if you felt like it, A. Then we've got a whole bar of E, 1, 2, 3, 4, whole bar of F sharp minor, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we go straight into verse 3. We go all the way through that verse again, which is 16 bars. We can do that, and we get to the very last chorus, chorus 3. Exactly the same as we've been doing the whole time. Now, then down. Then we go to the coda. If you would like the chart, please do just go to www.simonmorell.com/free-chart, and I personally will send you the chart. So then we're going to go and we're going to play B minor again, down to A, then E, F sharp minor 7 with the added 11, and then it plays an A. This is a short bar, it's only 2 beats, so you get 1 and 2 and then we're going to play this fantastic little riff. So let's walk through that. So we've got an A. Now, sure, you can play an A like this. In this situation though, it's probably worthwhile giving this a go, because we're going to play this riff, right? And so if you've ever played any sort of 12-bar blues or any sort of shuffle sort of stuff, this is super helpful, right? Because if you've got that, then you can't do so much with your hand, right? So we've got this A, and we're going to do first, we're going to hammer on F sharp. So we're going to do it like an incidental grace note. It's hardly there, so you're going to go like this. Yeah, so hammer on. We're going to do that twice. We're going to go. So that's 1 and. Yeah, so we've got 1 and, 1 E and a 2 E, 1 E and a 2 E and. Okay, let's just collect it. Okay. And then we're going to do another, and then another A. Okay, so far we've got 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Make sense? And then we're going to come off to A again, and then we're going to do 3, so C to C sharp, hit an E, so, and then we're going to bend G to G sharp, so, and then we're going to hit this G sharp, bend that, and then you start with the E. bass slows down to a finish. And E. What a beautiful song. All right, so thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please do hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications of when we have new lessons here at Simon Morell Guitar. If you are able to, that would be great just to check out the Patreon page, www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. If you're interested in some of the slide guitar stuff I did or the electric guitar stuff I did, I'm going to put an exclusive lesson up there on that stuff, so if you want to get access to that, check that out. So I do appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Go and enjoy this tune, go and grab the guitar and knock this bad boy out. I will see you later. If you want the chart, go to www.simonmorell.com/free chart. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time. I've recorded a full version of the song. Here it comes.